Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about Javy really quickly. I get the Javy. I love it. I am an affiliate with them. They did send this over for review. We're going to go downstairs and make a coffee and taste it. But I was going to tell you a little bit about the rebranding first. Open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside, and I think in the rebranding they've just made the bottle look a little prettier, but I have shown you guys this in the past and I will link it. It is so delicious, and if you like coffee, it is the easiest way. You could absolutely use it hot, but I love it. I drink iced coffee most of the time, and it is the absolute easiest way to make iced coffee because you have your coffee in the fridge. You don't technically have to make coffee. You have this, and they've rebranded and changed the packaging, and how cute is that? That is so, it's much more modern looking. I love the way it looks. So this is the original. I have tried it in several of the flavors. It is a 30 times concentrate. So you can take this and 1 teaspoon of this in ice with some milk and have the best cup of coffee. It is so easy. Most drinks that I make, I only use 1 teaspoon. There are a couple that I've made that I've added that extra teaspoon, but if you only use 1 teaspoon, one of these is 30 cups of coffee, which when I compare it to how much I was spending at Starbucks is a heck of a savings. As I've started using the coffee and learning more about it, there's even more about it that I like because they have decided as part of their mission to use regenerative farming practices so that you're not just getting good coffee, but they're doing good things for the earth. And in using this, you're not using K-cups with all that plastic, that kind of thing. And if you want to know more about those practices, I bet I can link something down below. So in addition to my other links that will have the discount, I will also put a link so you can read about that because I think it's really interesting. Let's take this little baby downstairs and make at least 1, if not 2, cups of coffee. It's only 80 milligrams of caffeine a serving, and it's early enough in the day, so maybe we'll try 2. Let's go. Hi guys, I thought we would shoot the second half of this vlog style. And I am here to tell you, 10 seconds in, I don't know how the vloggers do it. Holding this camera up on a little stick, it's very heavy. I'm gonna get strong doing this. But what we're gonna do now is we're going to make a Javy drink. I love these drinks. You can drink them hot or cold. I particularly like them cold. I found us a new recipe for today. It is a brown sugar latte, but it has pumpkin pie spice in it. So I'm gonna call it a pumpkin pie spice brown sugar latte, but let's make it up real quick and give it a taste. So this is what we need to get the job done. I have a half a cup of water in ice cubes. We have a 1/4 cup of, I just used non-fat milk. You could use oat milk, anything you like. We have our Javy concentrate, which is the original, which is what we want for this because we're gonna flavor it ourselves. A tablespoon, oh yeah, I said it, a tablespoon of brown sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So the first thing per the instructions we're gonna do is we're going to add a teaspoon of the Javy concentrate into our ice water. I can't even believe I did that without spilling it. One-handed, guys. I'm feeling like Superwoman this morning. So we add that. Ooh, now we have coffee to our water. Delicious. We'll keep this here in case by chance we want another teaspoon. If you only use 1 teaspoon per drink, you will get 30 drinks out of this. Also, I will put my link below so you can go over and check out the Javy website. They have the original, which is what I have here. They have lots of flavors. Delicious. And then into our milk, we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar and our pumpkin pie spice. Yum. So that looks yummy. And I have, ta-da, a frother. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a froth. We wanna get it good and mixed up, so we mix up our brown sugar, but wow, it is frothing like crazy. I hope I chose a big enough jar to put it in. All right, that looks nice and foamy, so we're gonna pour that into our coffee. Okay, what I just did off camera is I put this lid on here and gave it a good shake so that our coffee would be good and mixed in. And now we're just gonna add our foamed milk. And I don't think I chose, oh guys, I don't think I chose a big enough. Oh, it's gonna be close. I made it, awesome. I was gonna say I don't think I chose a big enough jar, but oh, yummy. How absolutely good does this look? Oh my gosh. All right, let me turn the camera around and we're gonna give it a try. And of course, in true vlog style life, my battery died, so I also had to do a battery change. So we are back to the drink. How yummy does that look? So let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, that is a pumpkin spice latte. I have to tell you, I fully expected to like this. I did not know how much. Okay, what would I do differently this time from what I did last time? I would not put the ice in until the end. so that once I put the foam on top, I could stir it really well and get the cream down in the coffee. I mean, don't get me wrong, the coffee is good, but I would like more of this foam down in here to have more of the pumpkin spice, and I can't stir it because my ice is down in there. And oh my gosh, it is so good. I'm gonna work harder at stirring this in. Plan B, much easier plan. It is delicious. Oh my gosh. It totally does not need another teaspoon of the coffee. It is perfect just the way it is. I am just really enjoying this. If you've tried this and you're enjoying it too, let me know below. I will also put my link down below that they've given me. It will get you 20% off your order. And I'm gonna go drink the rest of this coffee. So if you have any questions, let me know below. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope I see you again really soon. Take care, guys. Happy New Year.